Hi, so this is a review here on the Sandisk Cruzer 8GB bamboo housing. So these are found in, I believe usually in Staples. So just want to go through the bamboo housing and the size of this and the performance. So the back here lights up when there's activity. There's actually an orange glow that comes from the back here. And this is, you could see, a pure bamboo. And let me show you the measurements. So this is about 1.25 inches here. So that's the size of it. A little bit over 1.25 inches. Now the cover is magnetic. So there is a cover here. And you could see it's a magnet that just snaps together. And you'll notice the cover is not perfect because it is bamboo. Now if I get the size of it with the cover, it's over 2 inches. And the width of it is about 3/4 inch, a little bit over. And let me go through the performance. The performance is not great on this. It's a USB 2.0. So you'll see on the screen here, I have a couple of comparisons. Right here, you'll see the speed of it. So the write speed at best was 4.5 megabytes a second, which is very poor. If I compare it to a lot of the SD cards that I have, so, for example, this here is the G-Skill 64 gigabyte, and it reads and writes at 22 megabytes. And even for smaller file sizes, it reads and writes at 13. Whereas here, it's all below 1 megabyte. So it's very slow. This is benchmarked by Crystal Mark. And you'll see here on the class 10, this is, even my class 10 Sony writes at 42, reads at 42, and writes at 20 or 15. Whereas this is, once again, it's below 1 meg and also writes at best 4.5 megs. And the only thing that's really comparable is another SanDisk that I have here. So the SanDisk, this is a SanDisk 16 gig, and it writes at 4.8. And even then, this is slower than that. It's slower than a class 6. So the performance of this SD card is really slow. So this is what you see here. This is the performance of the SanDisk Bamboo, while these are various other comparisons. So once again, this is my G-Skill class 10, and it reads and writes 21 megs. Even smaller file sizes, it reads and writes at 21 and 12. Alright, that's really what I wanted to report on, and hope this was helpful in your decision to buy or not to buy, and thank you for watching.